Hi everyone. Hi Mario.
Hello.
Are you okay?
Hi.
Well, we have brought a very captivating topic for you. You know, around the world there are many kind of sports like football, soccer, volleyball, snowboarding, boating, and a lot of sports. I mean, there are many types of football and hockey, ice hockey, and rugby. One of the where the strongest players are playing the rugby. Well, you know, nowadays in 2019 is the year of Cricket World Cup, where 10 teams have participated in the Cricket World Cup, and these top 10 teams are obviously they have a lot of potential. Well, they played a lot of preliminary matches and some sort of like some teams defeat, some teams won, some teams lost their matches, but like Pakistan, it's on the verge of elimination. But it unfortunately South Africa, one which was considered the World Cup favorite, has also been eliminated from the World Cup. Afghanistan, West Indies, these teams have been eliminated from the World Cup. They rule out from the World Cup.
India.
And what we expect for World Cup is India, New Zealand with Kiwis, which is one of my favorite teams, Australia and India. So these four teams will be played the semi-finals and the finals because the way we just we know from the performances the way the team is very strong. The Kiwis team, the Ken Williamson is also promoting his players and also giving feedback on, and Australia obviously one of the best players from the Australia, and they're also playing very well. And England, the Jason Roy, Morgan who hit like 17 sixes against Afghanistan, and they are also running for the World Cup. So let's see who is going to carry the day, who is going to be victorious in this mega event. Okay, but obviously I don't know about Pakistan, which will happen because they are on the verge of elimination, because it depends on the other teams' performances. And what's more about really it's really captivating. Like my favorite is New Zealand, and so what is your favorite team, Meyer?
India.
India.
Yes.
Okay. His favorite is India because obviously the reason behind why do you support India?
Because Indian player is a good player. Even Sachin Tendulkar, one of my favorite batsmen.
He retired.
And, yes, he retired, and Virat Kohli, I think, still.
Dhoni. Oh yeah, he's right. Virat Kohli and Dhoni, those players have flair to change the game anytime. And obviously why my favorite Kiwis and New Zealand team is Ken Williamson, one of sensible player, and other like Gaptil. They have flair, they have dexterity to change the game towards themselves. And good luck for any team who is coming to final, but our favorite is New Zealand and my favorite is India. Good luck for the winners.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Awesome.
And please don't forget to subscribe our channel for further latest updates. Thank you.